All night long. It's one of my favorite songs though.
Lightning crashes and old mother dies. Her placenta falls to the floor. The angel opens her eyes. The confusion sets in before the doctor even closes the door. Lightning crashes and no mother cries. Her intentions fall to the floor. The angel closes her eyes. The confusion that was here belongs now to the baby down the hall. Lightning crashes, oh mother cries. This is the moment she's been waiting for. The angel opens her eyes. Colored eyes presents the circle and leaves the glory up too high. Oh, now feel coming back again, like your own thunder chasing the wind, forces pulling from the center of the earth again. I can feel it. Center of the earth again, I can feel